Hello future engineers, there is another video in structural analysis, particularly on the analysis of statically indeterminate beams by multiple methods. And in this video, I'm going to present solution by double integration method. So here is the original problem by double integration method. Determine the external reactions at B. Support downward movements B 8 mm, C 5 mm, D 3 mm, support E 9 mm, and E rotates 0.002 radian counterclockwise. E is 200 gigapascals and moment of inertia 600 times 10 to the 6 mm to the fourth. So therefore, E times I in kilonewton meter square is equal to 120,000 kilonewton meter square. So here is the beam, then our sectioning, the reactions, and at this section, this is x minus 14, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14. So x minus 14, W as to x minus 14 equals 36 as to 6. So the intensity of the loading here is 6 times quantity x minus 14. And these are the settlements, movements, so 6 times x minus 14. So we begin our moment differential equation for the elastic curve. So take note that that is x. Then we imagine that this 28 kilonewton per meter load is extended. So that would be 28 up to this section here. And there is also a 28 kilonewton per meter upward where the length is equal to x minus 7. So EI, y double prime, is equal to by times quantity x minus 2 plus r sub c times quantity x minus 10 plus r sub d quantity x minus 14 plus uh, for 28 times x minus 7 times x minus 7 over 2, so 14 quantity x minus 7 square. And since this is fully extended up to here, so minus 28 times x over 2, or minus 14x squared, then minus 28 times that distance, which is x minus 12, then minus the moment of this loading, 1/2 of quantity x minus 14 times 6 times quantity x minus 14, moment arm quantity x minus 14 over 3. So we have a value quantity x minus 14 cubed. Integrating aiy prime equals by over 2 quantity x minus 2 square plus r sub c over 2 quantity x minus 10 square plus rd over 2 quantity x minus 14 square plus 14 over 3 quantity x minus 7 cube minus 14 over 3 quantity x cube minus 14 quantity x minus 12 square minus quantity x minus 14 to the fourth over 4 plus c sub 1. There is slope at a. Integrate again, eiy equals by over 6 quantity x minus 2 cube plus rc over 6 quantity x minus 10 cube plus rd over 6 quantity x minus 14 cube plus 7 over 6 quantity x minus 7 to the fourth minus 7 over 6 x cube minus 14 over 3 quantity x minus 2 cube minus quantity x minus 14 to the 5 over 20 plus c sub 1x plus c sub 2. We now apply the boundary condition. So if we imagine B is the origin, so although there's settlement here 8, we use the relative settlements or relative deflection. So imagine this is the origin and the deflection is 0 at B. So that means when x is 2, y is 0, then we have relative displacements at C, D, and E, which will be explained later as we apply the boundary conditions. First, when x is 0, when x is 2, deflection at B is 0. So this is now the position of support B. That's the origin. Imagine that the settlement there or deflection there is 0. So 0 equals, so when x is 2, this would be 0. So we have our beginning term here, negative 7 over 6, 2 to the fourth, plus c sub 1 times 2 plus c sub 2. So that means 2c sub 1 plus c sub 2 equals 56 over 3. Call that equation 1. Then at when x is 10, 2 plus 5 plus 3 at c, 10, since this is the origin and we have 8 here, 8 mm downward, 5 mm here downward. That means C, support C, the final support C is 3 mm above B. So this is 3 mm above B, where 3 is 8 minus 5. So that means when x is 10, y is 3 mm or 0.003 meter. So since EI is 120,000, so 120,000 times positive 0.003 equals BY times 8 square, 8 cube rather over 6, then plus 7 over 6. This is 10 minus 7, so 3 to the fourth minus 7 over 6, 10 to the fourth, which is this. Then plus C sub 1 times 10 plus C sub 2. So formulating the second equation, we have 256 over 3by plus 10 C sub 1 plus C sub 2 equals 71,593 over 6. Call that equation 2. Then when x is 14 at D, since this is the origin, then D is 5 mm above the final position of B. So where 5 is 8 minus 3. So that means when x is 14, y is 5 mm or 0.005, positive 0.005 meter. So 120,000 times 0.005 equals by times 12 cube over 6 plus r sub c times 4 cube over 6, then plus 7 over 6, 7 to the fourth, minus 7 over 6, 14 to the fourth, then minus 14 over 3, 2 cube, which is this, then plus c sub 1 times 14 plus c sub 2. Simplifying, 288 by plus 32 over 3 r sub c plus 14 c sub 1 plus c sub 2 equals 255,929 over 6. Call that equation 3. Then when x is here at E is 1 mm below B, where 1 mm is 8 minus 9, negative 1. So that means E is 1 mm below E, or negative 0.001 meter. So when x is 20 at E, y is negative 0.001 meter. So 120,000 times negative 0.001 equals by times 18 cube over 6 plus rc times 10 cube over 6 plus rd 6 cube over 6 plus 7 over 6, 13 to the fourth minus 7 over 6, 20 to the fourth minus 14 over 3, 8 cube, then minus 6 to the 5 over 20 plus 20 c sub 1, c sub 1 times 20 plus c sub 2. Simplifying this equation, we have 972 by plus 500 over 3 rc plus 36 rd plus 20 c sub 1 plus c sub 2 equals 156,000 c 3.633. Call that equation 4. Also, when x is 20, the slope is positive 0.002. So substitute here in this expression for slope. So 120,000 times 0.002 equals by times 18 square over 2 plus rc times 10 square over 2 plus rd times 6 square over 2 plus 14 over 3, 13 cube minus 14 over 3, 20 cube minus 14 times 8 square, then minus 6 to the fourth over 4 plus c sub 1. So simplifying this equation, we have 162by plus 50rc plus 36r plus 18rd rather plus c sub 1 equals 85622 over 3. Call that equation 5. Now, there are 5 equations involving 5 unknowns. So let's reduce this to 4 equations for unknowns because the calculator allowed is capable only of 4 simultaneous linear equations. So from equation 1, the value of c sub 2, we replace all c sub 2's in these equations by in terms of c sub 1. So c sub 2 is 56 over 3 minus 2 c sub 1. Beginning at equation 2, we have 256 by over 3 plus 10 c sub 1 plus 56 minus 2 c sub 1 equals 71593 over 6. So simplifying, 256 over 3 by plus 8 c sub 1 equals 71596 over 6 minus 56 over 3. That's 11913.5. Call this equation 2a because it comes from equation 2. Then in equation 3, substitute c sub 2, which is equal to 56 over 3 minus 2 c sub 1. Then it becomes 288 by plus 32 over 3 rc plus 12 c sub 1 equals 255817 over 6. That is 255929 over 6 minus 56 over 3. Equation 3. Then in equation 4, replace c sub 2 by 56 over 3 minus 2 c sub 1. It becomes 972 by plus 500 over 3 rc plus 36 rd plus 18 c sub 1 equals 155,984.966. Call that equation 4a. Solving equations 2a, 3a, 4a, and equation 5 simultaneously gives the value of by. And of course, bx, by looking at the figure, it is anticipated to be 0. So reactions at b would be 0, and the value of by here in this simultaneous equation, which is 152.507 kilonewtons. So I hope you can verify that By is 152.507.